Hi, I'm Amie Goltz, Vice President of Education at Scruples. Today, I'm going to introduce you to True Integrity Opalescent Creme Hair Color System. True Integrity is a permanent and demi-permanent system that allows stylists to create the reflection of translucent color with the coverage of an opaque. Today, I will be showing you how this can be used as a permanent color with maximum gray coverage. True Integrity contains PBX, Protective Barrier Complex, a patented innovative formula that replenishes moisture and protein and helps improve hair's inner strength. PBX works to surround and protect the dye molecule while depositing color deep into hair. The result is beautifully conditioned hair with incredible shine. All True Integrity shades are formulated with a nutrient-rich botanical blend of orange flower extract, orange oil, vitamin E, sunflower, and aloe, which enhance the condition, shine, and brilliance of the hair. This system is calibrated at every level, which provides accuracy in mixing for results that are true to level and shade. True Integrity mixes at a 1 to 1.5 ratio with pure oxy cream developers. All developers can be processed with or without heat. Our revolutionary demi-permanent developer has a pH adjuster that reduces ammonia by 70%. When using demi-permanent developer, keep in mind the shade selected will appear one level darker. When processing pure oxy cream developers, please refer to the processing chart based on volume of developer being used. When processing with heat, reduce time by 10 minutes and include a 5-minute cool down. Determine the natural level and percentage of gray with the Creme Color System Level Finder. This color system is formulated off the International Level System. Select desired shade. Select proper volume of developer based on desired shade, level, and percentage of gray. If dealing with multiple percentages of gray in the hair, 2 formulas may be necessary. Always use Pure Oxy 10 Volume Cream Developer for superior gray coverage when more deposit than lift is needed. To achieve superior gray coverage, use the Neutral series with Pure Oxy 10 Volume Cream Developer at a 1 to 1.5 ratio. When choosing shades other than a neutral for hair that is 25% or more gray, you will need to add Conceal. It comes in 2 formulas, Conceal 3 to 6 for darker levels and Conceal 7 to 10 for lighter levels. When using Conceal, mix 3/4 ounce of the desired shade with 1/4 ounce Conceal and 1.5 ounces developer. For stubborn gray or situations when the cuticle is very compact, you can add 1/4 ounce of True Integrity Cream Booster to soften the cuticle. True Integrity has 3 ultralight blonde shades. These are to be used on natural hair color levels 6 to 10 to create beautiful single process blondes. Refer to the True Integrity wall chart for mixing ratios. True Integrity can also be used to make beautiful pastel toners by using existing colors mixed with clear. Clear can be used to provide glossing service. You can control the amount of pigment deposited by the amount of clear used. To intensify your colors, True Integrity has several intensifier shades that provide ultimate creative control. These highly concentrated pure pigments can be used for intensifying depth in formulas, corrective coloring, and creating custom color blends. For optimal results, I always apply Scruples Hair Clarifier treatment to purify my client's hair before the color service. Before we begin our color application, we're going to formulate using the Creme Level Finder. This is based off of the International European Level System, which is the industry standard for cream hair color. First, find your client's natural or color-treated level using the darkest part of the hair. Determine the percentage of gray. Based on percentage of gray, skin tone, and eye color of my model Anne, we have decided to go with Level 7 Beige. We will be adding Conceal Level 7 to 10 for gray coverage. To begin Anne's color application, I'm going to be using a virgin application method. I'm going to be starting in the front quadrant where she's the most gray and probably the most resistant. I'm going to apply a 1/4 inch away from the scalp. Then I'm going to go in at the hairline, making sure to saturate, pulling it down through the ends. I'm going to go back up to the top and begin to take 1/4 inch sections to be sure I thoroughly saturate. And here's our model Anne's finished look. 100% complete coverage. For more online education and transformations with Scruples Cream Color System, click the links below. Thanks for watching.